The EOMONTH function allows you to return the last date of a month for any given date. So here we have the random date, and we have the date that's the end of the month. This function equals EOMONTH, and then open parentheses. And then the start date is just a date that you want to find the end of the month for. The month is the number of months in advance that you want to return the end of the month for. So, for example, if you just want to return the date that the end of the month for the month that the date is in, you can just put a 0. Control C, Control V. And as you can see, the end of the month for November 26, 2020, for example, is February 29th, 2020. But let's just say you wanted to return the end of the month for last 3 months in advance. So you can just have a 3 instead of the 0. And then Control C, Control V. And then, as you can see, 3 months in advance is May 31st, 2020. As you can see, 3 months in advance from November is February 2021. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.